Use makeup remover to cleanse the face of dirt, oil, and makeup. Cleanse the face using a facial cleanser. And then evenly apply toner. EMSEL stimulates cell regeneration and enhances nutrient absorption. Settings. Time, 10 minutes. EMS energy level, 3. EL energy level, 3. Apply some facial serum to the treatment area and spread it evenly. Move the handle in circular motions across 3 facial areas. Glide upward along the chin. Sweep from the center of the face to the side of the cheek. And lift upward toward the hairline on the forehead. Cleanse the face with a washcloth. Face RF suction lifts, tightens, and enhances skin elasticity. Settings. Time, 10 minutes. RF energy level, 3. Suction duration, 0.5. Release time, 0.2. Set the suction intensity according to the individual endurance. Note, adjust the suction and release duration individually or choose the preset mode. Apply essential oil to the face and evenly spread it across the entire face. Glide the handle across 3 facial areas. Move upward along the chin. Sweep from the center of the face to the side of the cheek. And lift upward toward the hairline on the forehead. Cleanse the face with a washcloth. Apply a mask to the face. Remove the mask and cleanse the face. Apply toner, serum, and cream.